Okay everyone, in this tutorial, this is going to be very quick, very easy way. If you're having difficulty changing your text, whether that be your color, your size, your font, whether it's centered, whether it's aligned to the left, underlined, bold, any of those different factors, I'm going to show you a very, very easy, quick, simple fix to all your worries. Okay, basically what I want you to do is from your home control panel, you're actually going to click on the blog link, okay, right below your picture there. And this is basically just a test profile I use for editing different changes I'm looking to maybe make on my personal profile. So one of the things we're going to do is once you click on that blog, go ahead and click Post New Blog. We're not actually going to be posting a blog, but I'll explain why we do this. Down in your content field down here from your body, here's where I actually want you to type in any of the information you may want, whether that's in your About Me section, who I'd like to meet, general interest, anywhere where you have typable content, this should work well for you. So from here, this is where you're actually going to edit how you want your content to come across. So for instance, let's say I wanted to center text and put my name is Logan, blah 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 blah, and I'll show you here just to give you a feature set of what you can do here. Let's say I want to take this, change it to red text, jump up the size to, let's say, what, 6. And let's say I want to take this, make it, who knows, blue, jump the size up a little bit, and I want to make that bold. This I want centered to the left. I want to underline it, italicize it, you name it. If you want to make a hyperlink, okay, which means you want to link it to something in the internet, you can go ahead and, or if you have a text link as well on your page, if you highlight specific text that you want, click on your hyperlink button, and it's going to give you a URL to add what text you want it to say, and typically you want it to click on blank as it's going to open up in a new window. Okay, so let's just say that we want to make this averagejoeriches.com. So that is going to give us a link there to that site, and basically the whole purpose of this was just to show you can create any type from here, from the blog area, any type of layout, text, color, how you want to break up your information in paragraphs. Most of you know, unless you know how to break up your information in paragraphs, if you just type in a solid block, that's how it's going to show up on your main profile page that others are viewing. So from here, once you type all the content you want as far down as you want in your information, okay, all you're going to do is click on this View Source box right here. And you see all this jargon right here. Basically what that is basically all the text. So from here, it's my name is Logan, but all this other information around it that you really don't need to know about is aligning the different characteristics of where that text is. So for instance, this part right here is aligning it to the center. This is telling what font I want it. This is telling what color I want the text, what size I want it. So there's a lot of stuff you don't need to worry about knowing, okay? I just want to know how you can get it. So once you click on the View Source link, you're going to be given all this script, okay, based on what you typed in. All you're going to do is copy this script, Control-C, or is typically the easiest way to copy that little tidbit there. And then all you're going to do is bounce on into your Edit Profile section, go into your About Me or anywhere that you're going to have that content, Control-V, which is going to paste that content, save your changes, and if you go back to your main profile, voila. Okay, so you've got the different text that you're looking for. It's in the specific font that you've requested. It's whatever color you want. And as you can see here, we've got the bold and underline. It's showing up as a hyperlink here. Okay, so when I click on it, it's going to take me to a page. So that's basically it, guys. That should work well for you in any section. That's a very simple way of doing that. Again, it does have some limitations, as far as the fonts that you can choose. It's not going to give you everything. I don't think, you can add shadows or make your text look 3D, but it is going to give you a lot more control and flexibility over the content and look and how you can deliver that message easily. So that's it for now on that section.